Hey, good job, boys and girls. This is Mr. Calf. Hey, Robla, third grade, we want to show you how to get your test going and open up the story at the same time. So what you need to do is you need to open up one Windows and get to where I'm at with Wonders, third grade. So I'm going to launch. Thank you, Avery, for letting me use your account. We're going to launch one Wonders window. And then as soon as it launches, you want to get another window going. So get two Wonders accounts kind of side by side. And then you can it makes it simpler, boys and girls, if you take out any other tabs that you have open. It's just going to make it easier for you to get them. It takes a little bit of practice, but you can't really do anything wrong. So you see up here, I've got Wonders and Wonders. And right now I'm going to take out that extra tab, so I only have two. So remember, Ms. Circus and I told you about Alt and the bracket key. And I'm going to do Alt in the right bracket, and I'm going to move that screen over. Okay, but I don't have my other screen over here. So Katie Calf was showing me that you can drag one of these screens over off of there and bring it over. And then you have two halves. So we just dragged it. You see that? We just dragged it over. Let's see if Mr. Calf can hold that gray spot and just drag it back and put it back on there. But I'm going to drag this soft gray that's up here, drag it over here so you have two that are half and half. And if it doesn't work the first time, you just drag it again till it gets over there. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to open up the test on one. And my test. Now the test isn't going to show because it's kind of turned off. But so you see there's your test. So I'm going to do the test on one. And the other one is going to be up here. So you just go down there and click. And then I'm going to bring the story over. I'm going to move this over. So you just go down and click on Chrome again. You see I'm going to kind of bring this over. I'm going to use that gray tab, kind of bring it over. This one, I'm going to put the story. So now you have both. I'm going to put Wolf up. You have Wolf here, and then you have the test. So you do the test, which has the vocabulary on there. You can go and look at the word and see how the word is being used in the story. Remember, the word's going to be bolded when it's a vocabulary word, and you can just double check your answers. And then if they ask you a question about the story, you're going to hold this gray spot, drag the story over here, and then go look for your answer. Boys and girls, you deserve to get them all right. Go double check yourself. Maybe you use something and you find the answer and you look for it. Okay, maybe you use the tool to highlight and write on it. Okay? And then you find your answer, and then you're going to hold this gray spot, just kind of pull it back, and you just put it over here, and then you can work on your test. And then you work on your test, and on the Chromebook, you just go back down, and here's your other page down here. So you just go back and forth. This, all the while, your zoom is right down here on the bottom line. Okay, boys and girls, the circus